Tutaj w tym momencie.
I jakoś to zrobimy sobie w tle, dobra, żeby troszkę było...
So, are you listening?
Yeah.
We also want to give you insight into how we got to our topic and how we started our work. And we started with this really messy paper. So it was everybody was thinking about New Year's resolutions for the European community. So our wishes for the future, and everybody was thinking about it. And then afterwards we defined some categories to have it a bit more concrete. So we have those topics which we are interested in, like perspective, history, sharing communities, migration, hierarchies. And from this point we went into smaller groups again and tried to find a concrete topic we want to work on. And we had this three topics, which is the third identity, for example, which means people leaving their culture and their country and then going to another place and finding a new identity, which, like, I don't know how to help me out.
It was about the new identity that is combined with the host country and the country that your grandparents came from.
Yeah, like second, third generation migrants.
Another idea was to have the topic which we call production timeline. It was about supply chains and the production of products and the ethics of it. Yeah,
production like in capitalism.
Slavery footprint was a term for it. But we killed this idea because we had a compromise on those two topics. Yeah, you can.
And the third one was about the history of Polish refugees who came to Iran during the Second World War, and it's a history that really happened, and we thought that it would be interesting to combine this topic with that about the
Identity.
Yeah, the identity. So yeah, that's where we started.
So kind of we then found the topic about the Polish people in Iran and started to do a research about it, and then found like the films that have been already made about it, and then like in YouTube, see the comments in the YouTube that my grandfather was also one of those, or like this, that it started to feel like there are actual stories behind it, and there are like people discussing these topics already that we found really interesting, that there are like these kind of profiles of different people. And we kind of built 3 different profiles out of that.
Yeah, because like from the research we also gathered that a lot of people actually came back to Poland after they migrated to Iran. Some of them stayed, and some of them moved on to completely different countries, like New Zealand, for example. So we wanted to kind of bring those 3 different stories together, and rather than like give answers, more like just start from the story about the refugees, and then later see how it later moved on to like questions of identity, relation to the past, like bringing people together back through that story, and kind of explore that stories of the children of those refugees or grandchildren.
So we wanted to start with already existing YouTube clips on which we would like to post some comments redirecting to our website that would look like on this picture. Like very simple interface with the question on the top, questions relating to issues like family, daily life, holidays, traditions, about the definition and some feelings about home and about migration, and about below the question we would like to have 3 different answers from representing those 3 different experiences, like being in Iran, then coming back to Poland, being in Iran and staying in Iran, and being in Iran and going somewhere else.
Yeah, so these 3 persons, we have to find them. I mean, they are really live somewhere in these countries, and we want to somehow they will do these videos and they will introduce their experiences and how they define themselves and their identities, as because all of them has their roots in Poland, but they are now in 3 different countries. So that would be kinds of videos, and then we want somehow show their reactions to get to know each other, and somehow that how they treated their migrations stories. So that's the story.
So the title?
The title is as well Warsaw Street in Tehran. There is really one quarter in Tehran, Warsaw, and street, and they have church, and some of them live still there. I mean, they are the 3rd generation that live there. Thank you.
Thank you.